The best homemade chicken tikka masala recipe like you get at your favorite restaurant, with tender, juicy pieces of charred chicken, swimming in an unbelievable, luscious, flavor-packed creamy tomato sauce. It will make your taste buds sing with every bitlet. Start making. Let's come to my kitchen for this finger-licking curry. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel with your family and friends. Chicken masala is ready to serve. Tikka masala is a traditional dish made up of chicken that's been marinated in lemon and cream charred and simmered in a rich, creamy tomato-based spice sauce. Garnish with chopped cilantro and ginger slices and enjoy with your keto naan and enjoyed tasty restaurant chicken masala at home. Simply fantastic.